There are 2 packages after unboxing. Remove the 4 screws behind the shampoo basin. Connecting hot and cold water pipes and drains. Water drain. Combine shampoo basin and massage bed. Lift your calf and connect the power cord. Connected power. Start system. When the machine starts, the calf automatically rises. Auto massage. Enter the automatic massage for 20 minutes. Press pause. All functions of the machine are suspended. Massage and air pressure are adjustable in 3 gears. The time can be adjusted manually. Heating function. Long press. Calf raised. Long press half down. Water fittings installation. Tighten and secure the buckle located at the bottom of the shampoo device. Connect the water inlet and fasten it with wire. Attach the water pipe to the motor and secure it again with wire. Connect the power cable and charge before use. Display of the assembled water fittings. Product voltage and power. M6 shampoo bed overall effect demonstration.